Well, Laguna Blue Corvettes are not something we see a lot of here, and they are beautiful, as is this 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT Coupe. What a beautiful car, just 26,000 miles. This car is going to turn heads, and it's going to be fun to drive. So we said Laguna Blue on the exterior, has a jet black interior, and under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with an 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, we're going to go to the interior of this car, but we're going to be back to the engine in just a second because we know you're going to want to take another look at this. This car has the $4,160 2LT preferred equipment group. This includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo, AM, FM, XM, MP3, with steering wheel controls, has MyLink and auto-dimming mirrors as well. Heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar. It has the advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door, of course, and memory package along with the front camera. It has that Laguna Blue tint coat upcharge. It has the carbon fiber interior trim package. It has performance data recorder with navigation, remote start, chrome wheels, multi-mode exhaust, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, of course, in Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start. Has the dual zone electronic climate control. Well, you can see this car has absolutely everything, along with that front view camera, and everything on this car is power as well. It has ABS traction control and active handling. It comes with some really nice factory options and a ton of added appearance accessories that we'll get to in just a second. So we said the Stingray shows just 26,347 miles. It's in good condition. The paint is good. It has a great shine. There has been a clear protective film added to the front bumper, fenders, hood, and side mirrors as well. It's a beautiful car inside and out. We got to tell you, the interior additions to this car include suede seat inserts, suede shift knob and boot, brushed aluminum trim for the dashboard vents, and HUD mirror control panel. Has blue interior lights and blue LD lighted sill plate script as well. Other exterior additions include the drilled slotted brake rotors, chrome brake caliper covers, polished quarter panel vent trim, purple valve stem caps, aftermarket side marker lenses. It has the blacked out rear marker lights as well, and it has a custom Laguna Blue rear differential slats, window tint with windshield banner, chrome mesh rear bumper grills, and a Laguna Blue Z51 style rear spoiler. Now, we got to get back to the engine on this car. The underhood additions include brushed aluminum C7 logo for the hood installation, Laguna Blue simulated carbon fiber fuel rail covers, that Laguna Blue hood scoop, underside radiator support cover, master cylinder cover, coolant tank. You can just look at this engine. It is absolutely beautiful, all the additions have. Now, click the link right down below this video and it'll take you to detailed photos of this car, and you can see the pricing as well. This is a beautiful car, absolutely beautiful. It's fun to drive. It's had a lot of care, quite a few. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button to be the first to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.